Hey, what's up guys? My name is Tony. In this video, I'm gonna unbox my brand new S10 Plus and give you my first thoughts and reactions. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for watching. I hope you stick around and watch more content. If you've subscribed and you've been watching my content, I can't thank you enough. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing of the S10 Plus. Now, I got to give you a little bit of a background on this. I haven't had a Samsung device since the S4, so I've been a little gun shy on Samsung devices. When this came up, I figured it was time to change my pattern here and give a Samsung device a real shot here. So I'm going into this with an open mind, and I'm really expecting or hoping to be blown away by the device. Alright, so before we get started here, I do want to cover some features of what I'm going to be doing with this. So I'm going to be doing a few videos on this coming up here. I do have the Galaxy Buds because I did pre-order it, so I did get this. And then coming up, I will be doing some case reviews. I got about 5 more of them coming. I got 3 here. So I'm going to pick probably the top 5 or so. Maybe they're all good, but I kind of picked a wide range of them. So definitely subscribe if you do not want to miss that, because I will have multiple videos coming up on the S10 Plus and accessories. Alright, so before we get started, why don't you guys come in here and get a little bit closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing here on camera. Alright guys, now that you're in here closer, you can see what I'm doing. Let's go ahead and open this device up here for you. I can undo these tapes here. I'm really excited about this device. I really don't know what to expect with it. I do love my OnePlus. But alright, so let's see what we got in the box here before we take out the phone. If I can do this, actually. So this is kind of different. Alright, so obviously we got the SIM card eject pin there. Let's see what else we got in here. Pre-installed with a screen protector. Make sure it allows for the use of the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which I think is kind of interesting. That's not something that I've ever had to worry about, so it'll be interesting to see how that all works out there. Alright, let's go throw this back in here. Don't need that right now. Alright. Oh, hey, there's a little handy dandy thing here. Alright, so you can see the camera prick here. Alright, so this is a really nice phone. So I opted for the pearl white. And I don't know if you can see that. Okay, yeah, you can kind of see how it reflects different colors there. I am a huge fan of that. Now, I had a white phone with my Pixel, and I absolutely loved the white phone. I don't really necessarily like the black face, but I think this will work just fine for me. All right, so we can go ahead and peel the back off. I don't know if you can hear that. Ooh. Alright, so we'll set that off to the side here. Alright, so we got the phone here. So in the package, it looks like some basic earbuds here. The charging cable, which is finally USB-C, which is nice. However, it is regular style. And then the charging brick and the USB-C to USB-A adapter. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and boot this up here real quick, and we'll see how it looks. Alright, so we're booting up here. Hello. So I won't take you through the setup of it because it's kind of personal stuff, but what I will do is I'll get it to that point, and then I'll just tell you to hold on, even though you don't really need to hold on. But I will jump back in once I kind of get it set up. I'll use it a bit and then kind of see how it works. So I'm going to do that right now because I don't know how long this is going to take. So I will be back in just a second. To you, it'll be probably a few minutes for me, but that's all right. You don't need to worry about that.
2 hours later.
All right, so I've got it a little bit set up here. First thing I want to show you is the Samsung app for transferring. It looks like it's going to take 7 hours and 41 minutes to transfer all of my data, which I gotta be honest with you is a little crazy. I don't have that much stuff on my phone. Most of my stuff is backed up in Google, so I guess I don't really know why this takes so long. I just transferred stuff on my mom's phone the other day, and it only took about 15 minutes. So I'm hoping it takes less than this. Not quite ready to be set up with it, but anyway. So I do want to show you a couple things here before this is done. All right. So first thing is, so I'm coming from OnePlus ecosystem, Pixel ecosystem, and the first thing that I noticed, I don't like the app drawers here. So my question is there a way to change this to be all vertical like is on the Pixel or the OnePlus 6? If you know that, leave it down below in the comments. That'd be really handy. I'm unfamiliar with how Samsung works, so this could be something really simple, and I'm just not missing it, or I'm just missing it, not missing it. Anyway, so one of the other things, it's very much welcome back to Samsung. I got a lot of Samsung notifications, and it's a little bit annoying, and one of the reasons why I really like my Pixel as well as my OnePlus was not a lot of the Samsung bloatware. So anyway, so a couple of things that I do really like about this device. If I go into display here, first one obviously is night mode. This is kind of a big thing these days, and as you can see, it's on right now on my phone, which is awesome. I did change the font size as low as possible, screen zoom as low as possible. Then I did change the screen resolution all the way back up. But one of the things that I really liked about it, let me see if I can find it here. So with the edge screen, you can have stuff on the side and it will actually do things for you. So I really like that. That's not something that I'm really familiar with, so it's going to take a little bit more playing with. However, I do like it so far. And one other thing that's really nice, I mean, if you're going to have a full-blown screen like this, to have the navigation bar basically disappear. So if I wanted to do that, it's down, and then all I do to do it is just swipe that button and that's back. I really like that. That's a really nice feature, and I don't believe it's a feature that's on my OnePlus, and maybe it is, maybe it was an update. However, I am a big fan of that right now. All right, so I think that's really all I really had about the device right away. It's still setting up, so I really haven't got a lot of chance to use it. However, it's a nice device, but it is very much Samsung. So if you have any advice for me on this, definitely leave it in the comments below, because maybe I'm missing something with Samsung devices. Overall, I'm really impressed with this device right away. Now, I did find a few things that are very Samsung-esque, and it does bring back memories of their kind of ecosystem from my S4 days, how they have a lot of bloatware and a bunch of Samsung things that I kind of learned to live without. I still think it's going to be a good device, and I hope I find a lot more really positive things about it and not so many negative things going forward. Anyway, that's really all I have for you today. As I said at the beginning of the video, I will be doing a video on the Galaxy Buds, and then I will be covering the best screen protectors available for the S10. I ordered quite a range of them, so I hopefully will be able to find something for everyone. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day.